Yo, what's up everybody? It's me Vichy Kevin and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial video and teach you guys how you guys can solve a problem step by step. Alright, so this video is on how you guys can log in into your Go2 bank account. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that step by step. Alright, so stay tuned to the video until the end without skipping, because if you skip you guys are going to get confused. And if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Go2 bank. After you search for Go2 bank, it's going to show you all these results over here. And over here you can see www.go2bank.com. You want to make sure you're going into this website. So click on Go2 bank, the ultimate mobile bank account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. And once you're in this website, if you want to activate your Go2 bank card, you can click on activate card. If you want to open an account, you can click on open an account. And if you want to download Go2 bank's app, you can click on Play Store or App Store, depend on which mobile you use to download their app. All right, but we want to log in into our account, so we don't need any of this. I just said this because if you wanted to know some more feature of this website, you would know this. All right, so click on login over here because we want to log in into our account. And it's going to take us to Go2 bank's login page, so wait for some time until the website loads up. Once it loads up, over here where it says email address, enter your email address which is linked with your Go2 bank's account. After you enter the email address where it says password, enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password, you can tick mark remember me. Once you tick mark this, every single time you come to Go2 bank's official website, you don't have to log in into your account. Your account will automatically be logged in. All right, so once you come over here, click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Go2 bank account if the email and password you entered is correct. So that's how you guys can do it. And if you guys have trouble logging into your account, click on trouble logging in and it will help you recover your password of your account. All right, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can do it. And if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.